This mainly is talking about curve property. Curve properties. So when we talk about curve property, we have the graph. So we are going to describe the graph. That is called curve properties, okay? So I'm going to give you a function. We will study from function to function, okay? Given fx is equal to x squared minus 1 over x minus 2. So we will do it graphically. Then after that, we will do it manually. Can or not? Okay, now. We'll do it graphically, then we will do it manually. Okay. Part A, sketch the fx graph for x between -2 and 7. Okay, can you please start? Do you know how to sketch using your graphic calculator? Do I need to repeat? Okay, so I will do it part by part. GC. So I repeat again. Can you press this button? Okay, then you have your y1 equal to, okay, we are going to type this as a fraction, correct? So you want to create a fraction here. What you need to do is you go to your graphic calculator, you have the button alpha. Okay, you have your button alpha. So you put alpha y equal to. Okay, so they will come out on the screen there. Number 1, number 2, number 3, correct? You have N stroke D. So you select this one, please. So you will come out 2 boxes here. Do you get that? Ashwinder? Ashwinder? Darren?
Yes, miss.
Do you get that?
So far, okay.
Okay. Now you key in your x squared. Where to find your x? You go to this button. So the x will appear. So if you want it to be square, okay, the next button you need to press will be, there is this button, x squared. Then the -1, that one you should be able to do, correct? Everyone got that in your calculator? Okay, Ashwinder, snapshot your calculator and show it to me. I have no choice. I have to do it like that. I can't see you physically. The rest, you just be patient. Ashwindaran. So don't get me wrong. I call you because I want to make sure everyone is doing it. Snapshot your graphic calculator and show it to me.
Yeah, hold on, miss. I'm trying this.
Idina, send to me. Show your what is on your screen of your graphic calculator, Idina. Idina, do you have a graphic calculator? Anyone in this class without graphic calculator? Christopher, send
You want me send you the graph or what?
No, I want yeah. Okay. Edina, can you bring your cursor to plot 1? Bring your cursor to plot 1 and press enter so that the plot 1 is not highlighted. Ashwindaran, where is yours?
I'm struggling, miss. Sorry.
You say sorry to yourself, not to me. You understand? Okay, Christopher, you got the graph? Then you send the graph
Yes.
to me.
Wait, I
send
send
the
you
graph to me?
now.
Yeah, yeah. That would be very nice of you. You still remember what to do. Nanini Devi, can I have your...
Okay, miss.
Okay. Yeah, Christopher, you got the graph. So I'm calling you is just to make sure everyone know what to do. The rest you know what to do, correct? Shinyi, can you send yours? And let me have a look.
Sorry, miss, I don't know how it works.
What do you mean you don't know how it works? I
Uh,
want the keying in. I want to see your y equal to. Here. After you finish this on your graphic calculator, you just take a picture of your graphic calculator and show it to me, please. Ashwindaran,
Can't do it. I can't do it, miss. I can't. I really just can't.
you don't give me excuses. Everyone can. Do you have your calculator with you?
I have my hand, miss. I have my hand. I just.
Okay. I cannot afford to wait for you. You say, okay, so now next, after you have done that, what you need to do, because I got give you the domain, I teach you already. So what you need to do, the second step is go to window. Okay, press the window, set X minimum as -2, X maximum as 7. Please do that. Then finish. Then go to zoom button that is beside the window. Select zoom fit. That is, I think is 0. Scroll down, select zoom fit. Okay, then the graph will come out. Okay. Then the graph will come out after you select zoom fit. I will copy Christopher graph and show it to you. Ashwindaran, until now you still cannot settle the thing. Wonderful. Okay, you got that graph, right? So that means if you look at the graph, yeah. So I'm going to explain how are we going to transfer that into your graphic onto the paper. So very important. When I say sketch the graph, I give you 3 marks. Okay, look. So when I transfer, so what you need to do is, for this case, correct, the turning point is not that obvious. So first of all, you see there is a vertical asymptote. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you a few points. So we know that x minus 2 cannot be 0. So x cannot be 2. So this is the vertical asymptote. Okay, so this vertical asymptote. So what I need to do is when I prepare my axis, I have to prepare first. Okay, I know I have to do from -2, roughly, -2 right up to 7 here, right? So here is 1, 2. So I put my vertical asymptote. This is how I get ready my graph. Okay, so before I know the shape go like that, correct? So I have to use my graphic calculator to find the coordinates of the turning point. So how to find this local minimum? So you go to second trace. Yeah, select minimum. Then left bound, right bound, that kind of things. Okay, everyone start. And tell me the x coordinate of the turning point. X and the y coordinate of the stationary point. Okay. Can someone give me the coordinates of the local minimum? Can someone give me? Madeline? Madeline, can you give me the local minimum? Madeline?
0.268 and 536.
Is it correct? Class? Is this correct? Is this minimum point correct? Is this minimum point correct? How to?
I don't think so. I get different answer.
Okay, tell me your answer.
3.76732.
3.73.
2.
Okay, 3 can edit 3 significant figure.
7.46.
Okay. This is the correct answer. Madeline, can you tell me what is your problem?
I think I missed the step in the equation.
What do you mean by the equation?
I write the wrong thing, Miss.
You write the wrong thing.
Yeah, I think.
What do you write?
X minus 1 over x minus 2.
Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Okay, can someone give me, Sinchi, give me the local maximum?
0.27. 267
and
and 0.535. 536.
okay. So you have that correct? Okay, then you look, there is an endpoint. So you have to find the value. So when x equal to 2, so you want to know what is your y, what you can do, you can press second trace, then you go to value. Then you key in your x equal to -2. Then you get your y. F -2 from your graphic calculator, it will be -3/4. And x equal to 7, your F7 will be equal to 48/5. So are you clear? So you must get all these points ready to get the 3 marks. So this is your y, this is your x. So the graph will go in this way. So at 7, you stop, then you jot down the coordinate. 7, 48/5. And this is the coordinate, that is 3.73, 7.46. Okay, then this one, the turning point is somewhere here, 0.2 here. Right? So the graph pass through 1. Oh, sorry. So the graph will go like that. The 2 is very small here. So it go up like that. And it come down like that. Right? So you jot down this point. So all this must be there. If not, your 3 marks will be gone. Shape 1 mark. Judgment of the turning point 1 mark. And the ending point 1 mark. So this is the perfect sketch. No asymptote, 1 mark will be deducted. Hello? So that is how you sketch the graph. You use your graphic calculator, get all the important points, then transfer it on the paper. Hello? So this is the stationary point. You get me? Student? That is called sketch the graph. Okay, now. So you can, from the graph, you can know the stationary point. Yep. Okay, now how am I going to describe the changes? Yeah. So can I move? Can I move?
Hold on,
Okay.
miss, I'm still, because my graph was wrong when I put the thing, so I'm just trying to figure out why was it wrong.
Your graph was
Okay, my son.
wrong. You can just screenshot this, okay? You don't have to copy. You screenshot this, then you have a look at it again.
All right, thanks, miss.
Okay. Now part B, we want to describe. So how are we going to describe? So now you look. If I now re-sketch the graph, the domain for this function, if I don't set the domain, I just let the domain for this function be x, is a member of real number, and x cannot be equal to 2, correct? So The graph go in this way. This point is 3.73 just now. Okay, then the other point is go here like that. And here is 0.267. Okay, so look. This part, this is your y equal to fx. Right? So for x less than 0.267, that is this part of the graph. This is called going up, correct? Am I right? So therefore, fx is increasing. Are you clear? And this also imply f prime x. What is f prime x, class? What is f prime x? Shawin, what is f prime x? Shawin, are you here? Shawin not here? Shawin not here today? Shawin, are you here? You mark your attendance and yet you are not here. Very good. I don't know what are you. Okay. Raisa, can you tell me what is f prime x?
Is it the rate of change for the function?
Yeah, correct. This is the rate of change. Okay, so if fx is increasing, that means the rate of change is positive or negative? So this value is greater or less than 0? Hello?
Oh, still yeah.
Mm,
It's greater than 0.
yeah, so it's greater than 0, correct? Okay, so we describe for x. Okay, so now we also know that for x greater than 3.73, the graph go like that, correct? You see, the 3.73 there also go up. So therefore, fx is increasing. So if the question asks for fx is increasing, so what should my answer be? My range of x will be x is less than 0.267 or x is greater than 3.73. Can be equal. Am I right? Now, if you look for x greater than or equal to 0.267 but less than 2, the fx graph is going down, am I right? So therefore, fx is decreasing. So this implies the rate of change is negative. Another part will be x greater than 2 cannot be equal because this is a vertical asymptote, but less than or equal to 3.73. Fx is also decreasing because the graph is going down like that. So this implies f prime x is less than 0. Are you okay? Now from the fx graph, how am I going to know the value of x that will make fx increasing or decreasing? Are you okay? Okay, so now how am I going to draw, based on this, how am I going to draw the psi diagram of f prime x? So if I want to draw the psi diagram of f prime x, first of all, I know that f prime 0.367 is equal to f prime 3.73 is equal to what? Xin Qi. Xin Qi?
Yes, wait.
These two are stationary points.
Zero, zero,
of
zero.
fx. So equal to 0, correct? So when you want to draw the psi diagram of something, you must find the value of x that will make the something equal to 0. Am I right? That is called the x-intercept. Am I right? So now my f prime x psi diagram (0.26, 26, okay. 267, and the other one is 3.73. So another point I also need to put down. Do you know which point is that? The vertical asymptote. I put dotted line. That is the 2 here. So look, for x less than 0.267, f prime x is greater than 0. So here is a plus. Between here, negative. Here, negative. Then here, positive. So this is the sign diagram. So are you okay? Class? If I give you the fx graph, first of all, I must know how to describe the fx. So I will say for x less than 0.26, fx is increasing. Then after that, at x equal to 0.267, it stopped changing. Then after from 0.267 to x less than 2, the function is fx is decreasing. Hello? Are you okay? Okay. So can I move? So today you are learning how to sketch the graph accurately. SAT2, definitely there is one question on graph sketching. Okay. You have to transfer it as accurate as possible. You don't have to draw the scale, but you must have the important point. Okay, then with the graph given, you should be able to describe the changes of the function. If you are given the fx graph, you should be able to draw the sign diagram for the f prime x. Get me? I'm using this example. So the next two lessons, I will give you different examples. Okay. Then another thing that I want to do is, how am I going to do this manually if I was required to find manually? Okay. So if I was required to sketch this graph manually, okay, first of all, I have to find the gradient function. So I have my fx equal to x squared minus 1 over x minus 2. So first of all, I have to get my gradient function first. Okay, gradient function means f prime x. So everyone, you should know how to get your f prime x, right? Using quotient rule. Okay, start now. After 5 minutes, I will call someone to send it to me. Actually, no need 5 minutes. 2 minutes is good enough. Okay. No time for that one. Okay, u is x squared minus 1. V is x minus 2. Ashvindaran, what is u prime?
Um,
Hello, I'm calling you.
I-
Please answer me.
yeah,
If you don't know, you tell me you don't know.
I still don't know, miss.
You don't know. So by next Monday, you should know. Bring down the power, take away 1. V prime.
Oh, this is the relation.
Ashvindaran, what is V prime?
Will it just be 1?
Yes. So I put into my quotient rule. Right? Always start from this direction. This one better bracket it up. This one also bracket it. Right? Okay, then expand the top. Expand carefully. So this will be x squared minus 4x plus 1 over x minus 2 squared. Okay. To find coordinate of stationary point. Means dy dx equal to 0. So I put x squared minus 4x plus 1 over x minus 2 square equal to 0. Bring over zero times anything equal to 0. Right? So now this is a quadratic. If you want to get the exact value, you have to use the formula. This one cannot be factorized. Or if your calculator can give you the exact value, go ahead. So I don't have that calculator. So I use the formula x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. You better write down the formula over 2a. So the solution is x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Better write this one down in your notes. So this is 4 plus or minus, you can use your calculator. So this is 12 over 2. 12 is 4 times 3. So this is 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. Root 12 is root 4 times 3 is root 4 times root 3, which is 2 times root 3. So cancel off. So therefore your x is 2 plus root 3, or your x is 2 minus root 3. So this is how you get the x coordinate exact value. So if I want to know the nature of the stationary point, then I have to draw the sign diagram of f prime x. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to use your graphic calculator to help you to draw the sign diagram. Put the vertical asymptote first. That is 2. Okay. Here should be more than 2. This one should be less than 2. So this is the 2 minus root 3. You can get your graphic calculator to get the approximate value, which is 0.267. Just now we got it. And here is 2 plus root 3, which is approximately 3 point something. Okay, how to get the sign from all these region A, B, and C, D? Okay, now I want to teach you how to use your GC. So everyone, you have your GC with you? Okay, go to your this button. You have your Y1 is the formula, correct? Everyone, do you have your Y1 as a formula? Okay, then you go to your Y2. So now I want to have the f prime x. I don't have to key in this formula. Don't have to. What you need to do is, listen, you go to your map. From here, because of space, I want to put everything in one. You go to map. You scroll down. You scroll down to, do you see number 8? Select number 8 and derive. The moment you select number 8, your calculator will come out like that. You select your n derive, right? You select your n derived. Everyone, your calculator will come out like that. Correct? Then there is a bracket here. Then there is a something, a box, then equal, then a box, correct? So we are going to fill in the first box with X. Fill in this one with your Y1. Then this one put X and X. Are you okay? Okay, done? Okay, you are done, correct? So we want to know the sign for region A. This is 3. So what you need to do is, so now you call out your Y2. How to call out your Y2? You go alpha, trace. You press alpha trace. Yeah, alpha trace. Then you got Y2, correct? Select Y2. Then you key in 4. Then you put enter. Then the question will give you the answer. You get me? If it's positive, then you put positive. Then you test all the other region. So this one will be positive, negative, negative, and positive. So that's why for your fx, this is a local. Your fx graph is going this way. Go up, stationary, come down. This one go down, stationary, go up. So this local maximum, this local minimum. Everyone, are you okay? Hello? Okay, so you know how to sketch the graph already. You know how to do that. You know how to describe the increasing and decreasing. So everyone, you can start practicing. Although the question doesn't ask you to sketch the graph, it's good that you sketch the graph as well. Are you clear? Do it both manually and graphically. Using your GC, you can practice your exercise 3B. Are you okay? So this is what we want to achieve for this week. And also find the coordinates of the stationary point. Okay, class? Thank you. Hello?
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes,
Thank you, Miss.
yeah.
Miss, I don't get it, Miss.
What do you mean you don't get it?
The why